How to cancel or delete your Uber account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete Uber account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can open up either the Uber app or the Uber Eats application. Doesn't really matter because both the Uber accounts are just the same account. So here I'm just opening Uber Eats app. Then tap on the account option from the bottom right. If you're using Uber, also tap on the account option, then under which you'll find one of the options that says help. So just go to the help section here. Once you go to help, go to account and payments. From account and payments, go to account settings. From account settings, just see various sort of options over here, right? It says I need help deleting my Uber Eats account, so tap on that option. Then from here you can just select this option here that says delete my Uber account, and then tap on this option here. Then once you tap on delete my Uber account, just log in with your Uber account, and then after that you can confirm the changes and go on about deleting it. That's all it takes to delete your Uber or your Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.